Welcome to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time seeing this video, please hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my next video. On this video, I'm going to be giving you an update on what happened to House of Zwide today's full episode. Quickly, let me give you a recap on what happened yesterday. That tells Neo that Palisa is not a good one, but Neo wamjela wathi uPalisa asiyeni type yakhe. Una wambuza ukuthi do you even have a type, because the girl you cheated with, she's not like me. Neo left the party while it was still on. And Ona slept together. That mean babuyelani. On today's episode, uletha amagwinya for umzala kaSoga and uSoga. Manje uyamazi ukuthi umfana yena udla kakhulu, ufuna nemeans. Yiye ayibone izolo ukuthi iphelile. Ubuza umzala ukuthi uhamba bani, because in this economy Ramaphosa is not easy to get a job, but umzala wabashaya because he used to. Umzala kaSoga unamanga, ungathi uthole PhD yamanga. A long session, Neo asks Una what happens now, and she says they must go home because they are tired and they need to rest. Whether Neo and Una are now official or not. Couples are eating breakfast and Bra Ike wabuzo Una if she even got to sleep, because you can see ukuthi this person is tired. Fe and Kilejo bayapha shem. They start to interrogate her ukuthi ayenzani no Neo, bona abafuna umzukulu. Mpho and Sansa beneplan for umzala kaSoga. Will they win? Sansa tried to flirt with Neo, but Ugai was not into her because Neo wants Una back. Ike really loves Maria, but yena he don't want to admit it. Neo waze wajabula bafethu. Was thinking about what happened yesterday. Fika uThathu wambuza ukuthi hayibo mfethu why ujabulile so eliso. Neo yena wamtshela wathi mfethu ngiwine lotho. Things between Kat and Kelejo are looking good. Uzophapha nini vele ukuthi lo mzala wakhe umthathela ama-advantage, and the day azofind out uzosola, because Sansa was looking for him njengomngani wakhe, but uSoga yena ucabanga ukuthi Sansa unejeje towards umzala wakhe. USansa uyabuza if yena noSoga base-green na, and uMampho interrupted their conversation. And manje umzala bambambile, but they can't talk because Soga ukhona. And uSoga uyabona ukuthi hayi man, ikhona into off over this phone call. Manje uNeo uyabona ukuthi hayi Una hayi umbethisa ngomoya. Uyabuza ukuthi why she's ignoring his text, and utshele wathi yena ubusy and akafuni ukukhuluma about what happened yesterday. Very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment.